Okay, hello everyone. This is Casey from WebBuddy. In this week tutorial, I want to share with you a common issue that sometimes, as a WordPress user, you may encounter in your website. That is when you upload the image onto any of your WordPress pages or posts. Sometimes you will notice that the image is blurry. So, how can you resolve such an issue? So based on my experience is that most of the time this issue is caused by the resolution setting in your website backend. So if you are using Elementor or if you are using Gutenberg or other page builder, there is a setting. For example, if I click on my image block over here and on the right, I can see there's an image size. So sometimes this appear blurry is because it is set to medium or thumbnail. So in order to resolve this issue is that you can simply set it to full size. So once it's set to full size, the resolution will be very clear. And if you want the image to be smaller, what you can do is that on the width and on the height, you adjust it manually. So for example, I set to 372 and I change to 200. And you can see that it's about just now the same size, but now it is much sharper. And then I can save the image as it is. So make sure that the image size, make sure you do it set to full size, then you will be able to resolve such an issue. So if you encounter any issue with your WordPress website, feel free to post in a comment and I will see if I can help you out with your issue. Thank you.